We're going to talk about pipes today. In functional programming contrasted to object-oriented programming, it is very common to have code as a series of data transformations, flowing from one function to another. For example, imagine we have more than 3 functions. It would be awkward to read it from inside out, which is from right to left. We could make it better by using pipe operator. It also works with multiple arguments. The first argument will be passed into the next function. Another use case of pipe is to emulate object-oriented programming constructs. For example, you can write something like this in JavaScript. With the dot notation, you can access the property of an object from a class in JavaScript. You can simulate the same thing in ReadScript using pipes. As you can see, instead of the dot notation, you just use pipes here. So just one piece of advice, it's really easy to go overboard and make everything use pipe syntax. Don't go overboard. Don't shape your library's API just for the sake of using pipes. Keep it nice and simple, and please always think about readability. I mentioned before that in pipe syntax, it uses the passed data as the first argument for the function. You can change this by giving an underscore placeholder, just like what you have seen in my function videos, indicating that you will fill the data later. That's all for pipes. Let me know if you have any questions. And lastly, don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you next time.